Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. It is day 14 of 30 days of sketches from Christy's Beautiful Life. They are 2-page sketches. I am going to be doing the left-hand side of the sketch today. This is Karina's left-hand side. It only has one photo on it, but this up here where it says long title, I'm going to put a photo there. So let's see what I can do. So I have a few papers pulled out and I've got my photos. I am going to mat them on some white cardstock. I have this diagonal paper that's got a kind of a funky color combination on it, right? It's got like this golden yellow, this bright pink, a really deep purple, a mint, a peach, and a white. And you know, it's a funky color combo. That's all I've got to say about that. But I do like what I come up with, kind of bringing those colors in together and working with that. I do think it turns out pretty good, if I say so myself. Now, I did scrapbook this yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, Sunday. I scrapbooked. Yesterday was Sunday. Oh, heavens, you guys. I scrapbooked a lot on Sunday. In preparation of going on a retreat this week. So I needed to get layouts made and posted. So yes, I do know that yesterday's video has no sound after the intro. I don't know what happened to it, you guys. I voice recorded it. I did the things. I, edited it. It showed it had sound. I don't listen and or watch my videos, you guys. No. Take the voiceover, edit it, slap it up on YouTube. And that's what happened. And I don't know what happened to the sound, because I talked about a bunch of stuff. But it's not there. The only way, and I've already deleted the raw footage, so the only way that video is going to get sound is if I re-download it from YouTube, voice over it, and re-upload it from YouTube. And I just don't have the time to do that right now. So it is what it is. And there's no sound, So I guess, sometimes it just kind of stinks and I'm just going to deal with it. So I am putting in the layers here. I actually don't remember the sketch that I am basing this off of. So while I am talking to you guys, I am going to bring up the album of sketches so I can see it. Oh, there we go. That's right. It had circles and stripes, I believe. Yep, circles and stripes. This is by Karina Nilsson. And my striped diagonal paper is going to be those kind of stripy, layery bits, which also I thought a stacked washi layout would be pretty flippin' awesome. And then I do kind of give a nod to the circles with this die cut, and I put that on there. And I'm just not happy with that pink paper there, right? Like there's something a little bit odd with it. Now, here in Disneyland, if you looked up at this window, it looked like a dark window. But every once in a while, the evil queen would poke out at you. And you could see her as her beautiful evil queen self. Or you could see her as the old hag that she turned into when she took the poison, right? Like she transformed herself magically to look into an old hag. I find it really hilarious that someone who was so worried about being the most beautiful turned herself into the most ugly. But I guess there's another lesson in there, like what you are on the inside is eventually going to come out on the outside. Who knows? It might be something like that. But I am using these American Crafts letters, and then also these gold foil titles from Cocoa Vanilla Studio. I'm trying to pull them up, see what they are. They are from Heart and Home. Shameless plug. I do have Heart and Home available in the Scrapping Reflections shop right now. Cocoa Vanilla Studio was recently restocked, so if you were holding out for some of your favorites, get yourself over there. I am running out of some of the things, sold out of a couple things today. So if Cocoa Vanilla is your jam, get your little honey bumps over there to the Scrapping Reflections website. Now here, where that that other piece of the circle is, I decided to get rid of that pink cardstock because I was not feeling it whatsoever. And then I'm going to bring in kind of like this label here. And that's going to give me a place to put some journaling. The title of the layout is Evil Beautiful, which I kind of love. And then in the upper left-hand corner of the right-handed sketch, there is a cluster. So I decided to bring a cluster onto this layout as well. Now I'm not going to put mine up on the corner, but instead I'm going to have it over here next to the title. So I've got this big black die cut heart, and now I'm just looking for some other things to kind of add to it, just so that it is a little bit more clustery and less heart plopped down on a layout type thing, right? Like I want it to be a cohesive thought. So again, I'm going to bring in the purple color. Ooh, my stomach just growled really loudly. I hope you couldn't hear that. That was really loud. And I'm just looking to find a few little things. These puffy things from Freckle Fawn have turned out pretty nicely. Now, I even talked about puffy stickers yesterday in yesterday's voiceover. Because I had visited a website and they were talking about puffy stickers, and some people love puffy stickers, some people hate them, some people don't like them because they feel cheap to them, some people don't like them because they remind them of their past, and I love puffy stickers, and I don't think that they feel too cheap to me, the ones I'm using. I have had some cheap puffy stickers that I'm just like, woof. They would be like the plasticky ones that would fall apart when you were a kid. Going to go ahead and color this chipboard in and glue that down. And while I'm on the subject of stickers, I got myself an A5 sticker book from Amazon during Prime Day. Because I had a huge sticker book. I think it was probably like a 9x12. That I just absolutely loved, and it said My Sticker Book on it, and it was pink, and it had kind of like a sunburst on it, and man, I had the best collection of stickers. And yeah, I'm still salty over the fact that my mom got rid of it. Man, those stickers were great. I had puffy stickers, scratch and sniff stickers, googly-eyed stickers, prism stickers, tiny stickers, you name it, I had the collection of stickers, and man, I love that sticker book. I'm not sure if this little sticker book's going to give me the same kind of feeling that I had then, but we will see. Anyway, still salty over it. Pretty salty over that, and I think she threw out my baby book, so I'm salty over that, but I can't be too salty because I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, that is going to do it for this layout, you guys. Thanks for listening to me ramble while I did that. Hopefully, this video will end up with some sound. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.